What are you guys digging? Oh, what'd you find?
Found the gun.
That's a great discovery.
You see what else I can find?
Yeah, let me see.
Spider-Man. I see Spider-Man's eyes. I can't get his body out. Spider-Man.
Good job.
We only need the mud. Here. Hey, go! Hey, go! Put it in this water. We have some more water. I need some more water. We are getting water today. Yeah. We are digging water today.
Yeah, you're digging a tunnel?
Yeah, we're digging water today.
Cool.
Some is dried up.
Yeah, that's a iceberg.
What's iceberg?
That's when there's a solid patch of ice in your water. Yes, honey, that looks great. I think yours is cool too. You're doing a good job. Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I found ice.
Cool.
My God's coming.
Yeah, I know.
Good coming.
Yeah, I know. You guys are doing awesome. Yay! Yeah, look. Ooh, wet sand. Ew. Does it feel funny? Yeah.
And we're digging water today.
Oh, don't keep throwing the sand out or you won't have any left. Yeah, you gotta keep it. Sonny, what are you making? Hey, don't do that. You might splash it on it, Sonny. That's not nice.
Now, the bulldozer can dig it. Look at my green.
Oh, okay. That's what I was thinking too. Oh, Asani, keep the sand in the sandbox.
And you won't have any.
Asani. Hey. Hey. We keep this in the sandbox. Thank you. Thank you. Inside the sandbox, baby. Inside.
Not outside, inside.
Yeah. Oh.
Where was he has some sand in my mouth?
Ew.
I didn't put it in my mouth.
Oh, yeah, those are some big trees.
This hill did.
Yeah, those are big trees. Yeah, the hill did that.
Yeah. Hill.
No, in the sandbox. Good job. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm talking about this.
Yeah.
Digging water. I know we're digging water.
Asani Doko. Asani Jordan. Inside the sandbox. Okay. Excuse me, little miss.
Me?
No, not you. Not Mr. SJ.
Mr. SJ is 30.
I'm trying to teach Asani to keep the sand in the sandbox. Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah, you're doing great.
I'm in my mouth.
Yep, I'll build with you guys.